Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, bed liner, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.